the drawings! Hello little friends, Ava here. Let's draw this amazing Sonic with me today. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go! Let's start our drawing of Sonic by the line of his head. We continue the line of her pointed hair step by step. We draw all the ends very slowly. Very good! Now, we go around his right arm. We also draw his hand step by step. Sonic is known for his incredible speed, which makes him one of the fastest characters in the video game world. He is brave, fearless, and is always willing to face challenges to protect his friends. That's it, very good. Let's draw your left leg. We draw your sock and your left shoe. Very well. Now we draw his tummy and move to the right side. We designed your right leg, your right sock, and your right shoe. It looks like he's hitting his little foot on the ground, isn't it? That's perfect. Our Sonic is already beginning to appear. We draw Sonic's tummy. We also contoured his whole arm and his right hand, step by step. Very good. To finish our Sonic design, let's draw your pointed ears. We draw now the lines of his little face and draw his little nose. Finally, we draw her big eyes and also her cute little mouth. It is getting very good. Wow! We finished all the outline of our Sonic design. It was beautiful. If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new drawing. That's great! Now let's paint. I have already separated the 3 colors that we will use to paint our Sonic. To begin our painting, we will use the blue color to paint the entire body of our famous character. Sonic the Hedgehog was created by Sega and has become a gaming icon since the 1990s. Its popularity extends beyond games, with cartoons, movies, and a legion of fans around the world. Very well! Now, we will use the red color to paint the sneakers of our Sonic, one at a time, step by step. Very well! Our Sonic is getting perfect. To finish our painting, we will use the beige color to paint the entire body of our famous character. Still in beige color, we will paint your pointy ear and the details of your cute face. That's great! Our drawing of Sonic the Hedgehog was beautiful. Wow! Our Sonic drawing is complete. Friends, the drawing of our cute Sonic was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about Sonic. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I really hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A Super Ava kiss and see you soon.